Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we will be discussing how to stop AirPods Pro 2 from making noise. Are you having trouble preventing or stopping the AirPods Pro 2 from making noises? Don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. If you are experiencing or hearing static noise, it must be most probably due to the ANC. You can turn it off by simply going to settings and clicking on AirPods Pro. After that, select the noise control and turn it off. That's it. This is how simple you can turn off the noise you're making. Thank you for watching.